यस मैम। लहंगा पहन के खड़ा हूँ क्या इधर? Come on. I was a shy lady.
I was a shy lady.
I was not able to speak English.
I was not able to speak English.
I was thinking,
I was thinking,
can I improve myself?
can I improve myself?
Question
This question
was torturing me.
was torturing me
Lots.
a lot.
कभी आपने देखा है कि बच्चा पैदा हुआ और एज पर एग्जाम्पल मम्मा इज चॉपिंग अ वेजिटेबल और बच्चा कहता है मम्मा ये मैं कर लेता हूँ, आप जाके ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बनाइए।
If you do not earn money, I think it is okay, everyone. But if you do not eat food, then you cannot survive a single day. Right?
So today we have especially a very senior lady in the house right here now. So first of all, I want everybody please give a huge round of applause for Tayyiba Tabassum ma'am. Tayyiba Tabassum ma'am is here. यहाँ ये आना नहीं चाह रही थी तो मैंने बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप आइए क्योंकि ऑनलाइन की स्टूडेंट है और इंग्लिश को लेकर काफ़ी जो है पैनिक रहती थी और शी ज्वाइंड ऑनलाइन सेशन इंडिविजुअल 1-to-1 and finally she is here after taking 15 to 20 days classes, 15 days classes I think, 15 days classes, right? So I just said to Tayyiba ma'am that please be here. We are all the, living the bachpana, whether you are in bachpana, it's all right. Whether we are in bachpan or pachpan, but that doesn't matter, but we can learn anytime. So I want everybody please give a round of applause for Tabassum. Tayyiba ma'am is here. She would like to speak some, ladies and gentlemen.
Today I am here because I was shy with my English communication, or I was literally was shaking. I was able to perform, or I was literally hesitate. But now I am the same lady. Look at me. I am confident. I can speak with fluency. I can do each and everything. She was very shy, she was very hesitant, she was embarrassed. But now, look at me. I am in the age of 55 years. I joined Happiness Institute from, I know this is the need of the society. So that's why I joined Happiness Institute. I am here with confidence. So I can do this in this age, 55 years. So why not you? If I can perform well, so why can't you? So that's why I'm here, and you can also do the best and you can also improve yourself just like me. I am also trying face. I'm not perfect, but I am trying. That's the way. This is possible for everyone. So I can lastly say that if you dream, achieve, and change your life. Thank you.
I would say mashallah, great. So how do you feel today?
Thank you.
You're welcome. How do you
Proud moment. Proud moment.
So Tayyiba, you are in offline session, so I want that, like what I just used to do with you all in online, I would like to do in the same offline, and you have to repeat after me, right?
Yeah.
Okay? So everybody, good evening. Repeat after me. Wake everyone.
Good evening.
We use the same gesture I'm using. Okay. Everybody, good evening.
Everybody, good evening.
I was a shy lady.
I was a shy lady.
I was not able to speak English.
I was not able to speak English.
I was thinking,
I was thinking,
can I improve myself?
can I improve myself?
Question
This question
was torturing me.
was torturing me
Lots
a lot
and more and more.
and more and more.
But I promised to myself,
But I promised to myself
one day
one day
I would do it.
I would do it.
I would achieve it.
I would achieve it.
Look at me right now, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at me right now, ladies and gentlemen.
55 years of age.
In 55 years of age,
I can perform.
I can perform.
I can speak.
I can speak.
I can present.
I can
I
present.
can express.
I can express
Confidence,
with confidence,
excitement,
excitement,
energy,
energy,
power,
power,
interest,
interest, attraction, impression,
inspiration,
inspiration,
motivation.
motivation.
Why not you? Why not you?
Why not you?
So let me ask you a few just general questions. Where are you from?
From Delhi. I am from
How do
Delhi.
you feel today?
I am proud
You are
myself.
That's great. You're proud?
I was judging on that time.
Then I said to you
myself.
that I
Yes.
would be Katti if you don't come, right, Nana?
No.
Okay, so that's a
good.
fantastic
It's
thing. Are
good.
you excited?
Yes, I
Can you
am
speak
very
now
much
English
excited.
with everybody?
Yes. I
Can I
can.
expect?
I can.
You can?
Yes,
All right.
I can.
5 times you have to speak I can speak English. Louder.
5 times.
You have to say I can speak English. I can speak English 5 times louder.
I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English.
Little more louder. Fix it for our Jackson.
I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English.
नहीं दे रहा है.
I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak
Hey,
English.
Baban, can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can
Are
speak
you
English.
confident?
Yes, I am confident.
Everybody give a huge round of applause for them. What is this? You got all right. Feel comfortable. See, your hands are, have become cold, right? Your face is shivering, right? So this is all because of anxiety. This is an anxiety and you have to remove this anxiety. And it's a very quick. I did with her, right? इनके साथ किया था 5 मिनट में एंजाइटी चली गई. तो सबसे पहले यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेरेंटिंग ना, जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी. Respected ladies and gentlemen. Respected ladies and gentlemen. See the people. Yes. Respected ladies and gentlemen. Respected ladies and gentlemen. जिसकी सर पे आपकी जिंदगी की मौज होती है. सर रिपीट. जिसके सर पर आपकी जिंदगी की मौज होती है. आपकी जिंदगी की मौज होती है. आपकी बहन की शादी की बोझ होती है. आपकी बहन की शादी की बोझ होती है. पिता की जिंदगी 1 मैन आर्मी और एक फौज होती है. पिता की जिंदगी एक 1 मैन आर्मी एक फौज होती है. और इसलिए उनकी जिंदगी में चैलेंजेस रोज होती हैं. That's why let's highlight very beautiful and crucial topic. Make eye contact, proper eye contact. ऐसा ना लगे कि स्टेयर कर रहे हैं, ऐसा लगे समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, right? Let's talk about a very crucial topic.
Let's start with a very crucial topic.
That is parenting. Let me see around.
Yes, sir.
Let me see around.
Office.
नहीं,
Let me see around.
let me see around.
Let me see around.
No father, no mother.
No father, no mother.
कोई मम्मी पापा तो है नहीं यहाँ पे
No.
सिवाय आपके. सॉरी, आप भी नहीं. अरे, no father, no mother.
No father, no mother.
But of course you have mother and father.
But of course you have father and mother.
ये कहाँ जो है सामियाने में थोड़ी ना खड़े हैं. Alright. Of course you have mother and father.
Of course you have father and mother.
Of course you have mother and father.
Of course you have mother and father.
And how are you sitting in this class?
And how are you sitting in this class?
It is just because of your father and mother.
It is just because your father and mother.
They did a right parenting
They did a very good parenting
for education.
for education.
That's why you are here.
That's why you are here.
I request you, ladies and gentlemen,
I request you, ladies and gentlemen,
when you become parent,
when you become parent,
remember one thing.
remember one thing.
Never neglect and ignore your children.
Never neglect your technique to any children.
If they mistake,
If they mistake,
nudge them.
nudge them.
If they do good,
If they do good,
hug them.
hug them.
And if they do bad,
If they do bad,
slap them.
slap them.
And if they do good,
If they do good,
clap them.
clap them.
So that's why, if you want to be a right parent,
If you want to be a right parent,
if you want to be a right parent,
if you right parent,
if you want to be a right parent, मुझे बताओ कि अगर मुझे सही पापा बनना है,
right parent,
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ पापा बनना है, आप मुझे बोलो पापा बनना है. हम दोनों लोग की शादी नहीं हुई है, राइट? अब दोनों को पापा बनने की जल्दी पड़ी है. तो if you want to be a parent,
if you want to be a parent,
so what you should do?
what you should do?
पहले शादी करो ना जाके. Alright, anyway.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नहीं तो इलीगल हो जाएगी दिक्कत है, राइट? That's why you should take care of yourself.
That's why you should take care of yourself.
You should be strong first,
You should be strong first,
then make your kid strong.
then make your kids strong
Not only physically,
mentally.
mentally. Where is mental? That's not mental.
Where?
Is that mental?
So mentally,
Mentally. Are you mentally strong or strongly mental? Are you mentally strong or strongly mental?
I'm still not mentally strong. उस लेवल पे नहीं हूँ जिस लेवल पे होना चाहिए,
पर आप हैं. Do you believe in it? So, चलिए ठीक है. Very nice. चलिए, okay, very good. Please. I will welcome you each and every one by one, on this stage to present yourself. I hope you can do it. So let me call you one by one on the stage, ladies and gentlemen, with your glimpses, glances, attention. And I would like to welcome the first speaker. Please put your hands together for the first speaker on the stage. Wait. Please put your hands together for the first speaker, Mr. Sukhwinder, ladies and gentlemen. Please be on the stage.
बैन कर देना चाहिए सर, बैन कर देना चाहिए इन रिश्वतखोरों को, इन कामचोरों को। 5 साल हो गए हैं सर, अब्दुल्ला सर, 5 साल हो गए हैं बैंक के चक्कर काट रहा हूं कि नौकरी दे दो, नौकरी दे दो। वो तो आज सुबह जाके पता चला, गया कि भाई नौकरी दे दो, कह रहे भाई बैंक में नौकरी चाहिए तो बैंक का फॉर्म भरना पड़ेगा, एयर होस्टेस वाला फॉर्म नहीं चलेगा। Jokes apart. Well, jokes apart. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sukhwinder Singh, and I am here to talk about how to develop sense of humor. Well, to be very honest, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Abdullah sir that he has given me this sensational opportunity to speak something about my topics, and as well as I would like to thank you all for coming here and participating on this magnificent platform. For clap for yourself, please. And it gives me an immense pleasure to be part of this sensational atmosphere, the scenario, the people, and to see such a nice, handsome and beautiful faces. So let's starting from the beginning, that how to develop sense of humor. First, there is a question that why is it important? Can anyone tell? Anyone? That why is it important? Why is it important to develop a sense of humor? Okay, let me tell you first. Well, we all are well acquainted with the personality traits, like whether it's communication skills, body language, or your dressing sense. But we and some personalities, they forget or skip this chapter, which is how to develop sense of humor. This is also crucial, essential, and the significant art that can be developed. And it should be in each and every personalities. I guess this is must. This is very nice chapter that, plays a prominent role in our life. We should keep these all things in our subconscious mind. So there is also myth, sir, and my dear friends, that comedians and actors can act this performance. They have this right, they have this art, but not like this. We also can do this. क्या कपिल शर्मा, जाकिर खान, राजपाल यादव, क्या वो 9 महीने पेट में सीख कर आ गए थे कि कैसे सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर उनका अच्छा होगा या कॉमेडियन बन जाएंगे? वो 9 महीने के प्रोसेस में तो नहीं सीख के आए। कभी आपने देखा कि बच्चा पैदा हुआ और एज पर एन एग्जांपल मम्मा इज चॉपिंग अ वेजिटेबल और बच्चा कहता है मम्मा ये मैं कर लेता हूं, आप जाके ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बनाइए। Okay, is it something? No, this is a myth. First, I would like to tell you that how to develop sense of humor. First, observe and absorb. आप absorb करें to big personalities, to comedians, to people, meet with the new people. Meeting with the new people, it gives you confidence. It will boost you that how to develop a sense of humor. ये मिथ है कि हम नहीं कर सकते, we cannot do it, but trust me guys, you can do it. These are the very nice thing chapter that everyone should do it. Observe and observe. Then try to laugh on yourself. Try to laugh on yourself. This is also a good thing. अगर आप खुद पे हंसना शुरू कर देंगे ना, तो आप खुद एक अच्छा सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर डेवलप कर देंगे. So this was all about me and all about developing a sense of humor. Thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. Present over here. My name is Sridham Singh, and I'm from Ghaziabad, and also a student of Happiness Institute, as you all know. Before we start my speech, I would like to thank Abdullah sir, Sadaf ma'am, and Shafaq ma'am who give me this opportunity to stand here. So, I would like to ask you a few questions. If you answer me, my first question is, what did you like to eat in food? And my second question is, whose dreams to build your own house? Please raise your hand. Whose dream is to build your own house in your life? I think everyone has a dream to build their own house, right? And what is your favorite food? Your favorite food?
Samosa.
Your favorite food? Homemade food. And your?
Or like
I think everyone have their own favorite food, right?
Yes.
Everyone wants to eat, like to eat food, right? Okay. So, in the two questions, I ask you one more question, and my question is, has anyone ever thought, if you do not eat food, then how can you survive?
Yeah.
If you don't have your own house, then how can you survive? If you have your own house, then how can you survive? And now I think you all thought it is connected to them, first question and second question. And of course, it is connected, because if you eat food, then what about the land? What about the land? If you buy a house, she buy a house, and everyone wants to buy a house, everyone wants to build, like builders wants to build their buildings, and hospitals and doctors wants to build their own hospitals, and everyone wants there's some and different kinds of everyone has their own dreams, right? So what about the farmer lands? On the topic of on behalf of my third question, I choose a topic which is save agriculture. So there are 5 to 6 major factors in which we describe you why is it so important, and why should I do for it. So my first point is, agriculture is very important in our daily life because it provides us food in a many ways, like pulses, like vegetables, like fruits, like seeds, and many more things. But like it is very important to our life to survive, right? Human bodies to life, it is very important to humans' life to survive. If you do not earn money, I think it is okay, everyone. But if you do not eat food, then you cannot survive a single day, right? If you can buy, if buy a home, right? If rather than you buy your land for the farming, then you can eat organic food without a chemical, without a pesticides, right? So I think everyone have to purchase or buy a land for the farming for your upcoming generation, and for your also for your own life also, because nowadays you can see pesticides and the chemical based food were delivered in the market, which is very harmful to us. And rather than you can see most of the time people were have their health issues, and nowadays you can also see age was reduced to 10 years to 40-50 years. People now live again. And my third point is, and population is our builders were constructed a building unnecessarily, and that's why our population was also pollution was also increasing day by day, because wherever you can see cars and the roads and the highways and the buildings unnecessarily be constructed. So I think it's not important to us. If it is important, it is important our agriculture land, which is very very important for all of us, because if you do not eat a food, then you cannot survive a single day. I repeat, you cannot survive a single day. A human body is made by only three things. I repeat, a human body is made by three things: air, water, and the third is food, which is very important our human life, any other living things. And nowadays you can see, as you all know, maybe you all know what happened in the Telangana, and I think you all know the rest of the stories. Don't talk about it. Then we come to a point. We have to challenge and complain our government. Please control over the population. Then we can live. I think we can live a good life for ourselves, for younger generations also, and upcoming generations also. And in the end, we would like to request from all of you, please take a pledge from that now, and now that moment we took a challenge to the government and those people who are against to us. Please I requested with folded hand, please requested, please buy a land for the agriculture. It's for you, because you eat a healthy food and healthy, make environment healthy. And please, I request you, please, even at least once, please think about the animals whose house are demolished day by day. Thank you so much.